So this was us on our big photo shoot day, going out to Nung Nung Falls to take all these amazing photos, and it's pissing down with rain. Anyway, we got in the car, 6:30, we're all ready to go, and Ali jumps in the car and says, I'm coming too. So I have no idea what this photo shoot is going to be like, but we're having fun in the car, giggling, having a great time. So let's see what happens. Yeah. Well, that was probably, I don't know, vertical feet, 1,000 stairs down, slippery moss. I had to hold on to Johan like a little old lady. And the rain is now pissing down. So I'm just doing what I'm told. Ali is having a ball. She's like running. Look at that little face. Look at her. Ali, look up at the camera. Look at the camera. Ali, look at the camera. She's so happy. She's like, oh my God, I'm in nature, I'm free. It's really beautiful. And it's an unbelievable rainforest. The fact that the rain is here, it's just got this beautiful misty feeling. So regardless if we do a photo shoot or not, it's still an amazing experience, and we've had a great road trip so far. So let's see what happens. Let's keep going. Wow, what an adventure. Who would have picked it? It's pissing down with rain. I've got a whole trunk full of gorgeous, pretty clothes. But hey, that's life. Look at this vertical garden here. It's just amazing. So beautiful. And of course there's no tourists, except some super hot, beautiful girl Instagrammer. God forbid if I put my costume on and had to do the same. We did it through rain, hail, pounding waterfalls, mossy rocks, slippery steps. We did an awesome photo shoot. Not what we expected, but what the universe planned for us. It was such an experience, so much fun, and now to somehow get dry. And look at Ali. Look at her. Ali, look at the camera. Look, she's so wet and dirty. We had fun. Thank you so much, and don't forget to join and subscribe to all my new stories and interviews. Have a great day. Hope it's sunny where you are.